In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use videos in Constant Contact. Adding a video to an email is a simple way to make your message more engaging, but it is important to remember that most email clients do not play video directly inside the email. Constant Contact handles this by inserting a video preview image that links out to the video. When your contact clicks the preview, the video opens in a browser tab where it can play normally. To get started, open the email you are building in the Constant Contact editor. Look to the left side of the screen for the blocks panel, where you can drag different types of content into your layout. Find the video block, then click and drag it from the left panel into your email. Place it where you want the video preview to appear, such as beneath a headline or next to a short description. Give it enough space so it is easy to see and tap on mobile. Once the video block is in your email, click directly on that block to select it. Then choose Edit. This opens the settings where you can connect your video. Next, take the share link to your video from YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. Copy the full URL, then return to Constant Contact and paste that URL into the field provided. Make sure the link is correct and complete, because the preview and the click-through will only work if the platform can recognize the address. After you paste the URL, click Insert. Constant Contact will generate the video thumbnail preview in the email. Take a moment to confirm it looks right and that it matches the video you intended to share. If you have a short line of text nearby, keep it clear and action-focused so readers know to click the image to watch. Finally, it is a good habit to preview your email before sending, just to confirm the video block displays cleanly and the link works as expected. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.